ti rú ẹja tó ti wọnú omi. His Imperial Majesty ikú bàbá yèyé aláṣẹ kejì òrìṣà aláyélúwà gbòde Aláàfin Ọ̀yọ́ ti dé Ọ̀yọ́ ti gbọ́rọ̀ ayọ̀ wọ́n sì ti ń yọ̀ fómìnira ó dá mi lójú pé òmìnira náà yóò dayọ̀ bàbá wọ ọlá sáàtì lókè. Gbogbo Ọ̀yọ́ ló ti ń fò fáyọ̀ ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ gbogbo ọmọ olùtọ́ dá ìwà o gbogbo ọmọ Ọ̀yọ́ nílé lóko àti lẹ́yìn odi gbogbo ọmọ Yorùbá káàkiri àgbáyé tó lè gbọ́ mi gbédè ẹnu mi ẹ kú bójú ọjọ́ ṣe rí.
His Royal Highness Akeem Abimbola Owoade was born on the 17th of July 1975 in Oyo town into the royal family of Owoade1. He is one of the surviving children of Parasaki Ibiyosi Owoade, a descendant of Aremo Aderomu Iyonda Owoade Agure compound, Oyo town in Oyo State, Nigeria. His father worked for the Oyo North Agricultural Development Program, ONADEP, helping the Okeogun community boost agricultural productivity.
It is an absolute delight and a wonderful pleasure to be seated here today with none other than the 46th King, Alaafin of the Oyo Empire, Oba Abimbola Owoade the First.
The youth of nowadays, I can really see that there are a lot of people who don't have skills, enough skills to do the job or to pick up the necessary job. So part of my agenda is to have a vocational training across to them. So with that, I believe that that will get some of our youths out of the street. So, and it will create a kind of empowerment and it will create jobs for them.
His Royal Highness Akeem Abimbola Owoade completed his secondary school education at Baptist High School, Saki, Oyo State, Nigeria in 1992. He attended the Federal Polytechnic Ilaro, Ogun State from 1994 to 1997 and the Polytechnic Ibadan from 1999 to 2001. He graduated with a national diploma and higher national diploma in mechanical engineering. He decided to further his education in the United Kingdom, where he attended the University of Sunderland in 2008 and earned a Bachelor of Science. He attended Northumbria University in 2012, from where he earned his Master of Science degree in mechanical engineering and became certified in project management in June 2015. He is a Nigerian and Canadian entrepreneur, philanthropist, and president of 100279 Manitoba Limited, a real estate investment and financial services business in Manitoba, Canada. He completed his NYSC with Nigeria Gas Company as a mechanical intern and planner in 2002. He worked with Oceanic Bank International PLC in Warri as a teller from 2003 to 2004 upon the completion of his NYSC. He held a planning engineer position at Oil Ridge Company, Glasgow, United Kingdom for several years before moving to Canada for greater opportunities. Prince Akeem Owoade is currently the project coordinator at Manitoba Hydro, Canada, one of the largest electric power and natural gas utility providers in Canada. He worked here before ascending the throne.
He has a good heart. He is dedicated. He is goal-oriented. Somebody that can learn something from him, that if he set up a goal for himself, he doesn't stop, he doesn't give up, he just goes to the very last point until he reaches and achieves that goal. He's community oriented. He thinks about community. In our discussion a few days after the announcement of him being king, he already shared his idea how he wants to improve his local community, what kind of services he's having in mind to provide to the community, and how to build good relationship within community and with external sources, external parties, and as well, like he's thinking about development, how to encourage encourage development in his community and in his country, in his local world.
His Royal Highness Abimbola Akeem Owoade has been married to his beautiful wife, Ayaba Abiwumi Olajumoke Owoade. They got married on the 15th of July 2006. They met during his HND program at the Polytechnic Ibadan in 1999. All hail His Royal Highness Akeem Abimbola Owoade I. May your reign be filled with wisdom, prosperity, and unending peace. May the lands thrive under your guidance, and may your people find joy and solace in your leadership. Long live the King.